And it's Evan here at Enterprise Connect, and we're talking to the innovators here on the show floor at Girikon. Alankar, how are you?
Great, I'm doing good, Evan. Great to be here with you and be part of this podcast.
Yeah, absolutely. And Yash, how are you?
Doing wonderful. How are you?
Doing great. It's day one here. Maybe introduce yourself, your background, a little bit about your mission at Girikon.
All right. So my name is Yashraj. I'm the Vice President for Product and Innovation at Girikon. We are an AI-first company. We enable businesses with AI-powered, unified customer engagement platform that improvises the business communication or vision and mission. It's more about enabling businesses to streamline their communication processes, being CRM-agnostic so that they don't have to change their tech stacks, and making sure that they leverage the best of the AI from our tools.
Well, it's an important mission. And Alankar, give us a little bit about the history of the genesis of the company and your current offering. What's the value add that you provide to the industry today?
Sure. So Girikon, as a business, we have been in business for last more than 10 years now. We were primarily a services company providing CRM onboarding and consulting for many of our customers on Salesforce, HubSpot, Dynamics, all of these. We basically now have another offering, sister concern, Girikon AI, which is where we have our telephony solution as a product. It is on App Exchange, and we also have the cloud version, which is available to be easily integrated with all the different CRM systems that you have. And within as part of Girikon AI, our flagship product is Girik Connect, which is essentially customer engagement solution, unified customer engagement solution, which provides customers to be able to leverage the telephony, messaging, and chat capabilities. We have our AI-powered solution, which provides AI voice agents, AI messages, and then AI chat agents. So a customer would be able to create all these different agents to help in the automation of a lot of the customer communication, customer engagement requirements that they have.
Well, it's a wonderful vision. What are some of the challenges customers have in bringing that all together today in terms of messaging, in terms of the modalities, voice, text, even video, now RCS?
Yep.
How do you help them overcome those challenges?
Great question there. And in fact, we were talking to a customer today, and one of their concern is that during off office time, they are not able to handle the inbound leads.
It's overwhelming, yeah.
Yeah, and especially they are in a business where the demand is quite, it could peak at certain times and it could be lull. And our solution provides them that ability to be able to easily meet those kind of requirements. They don't have to necessarily have somebody available 24/7 to field those calls from prospects or leads. And then our agents would be able to take that and then convert it into required opportunities, which the sales team can then reach out to and all. So we provide that ability for our customers to feel that first touch point with any prospects, or for example, if there is any issues that our customer are facing. So from just doing that case management also, that first touch point, our agents can provide that. And then that can be plugged with not only call, messaging, two-way messaging, chat and all. So you provide that solution to the customer.
Fantastic. And jump ball, you or Yash could address this one, but these enterprises and contact centers are very complex environments.
Correct.
Lots of legacy integrations, multiple platforms, multiple contact centers, different kinds of messaging modalities and standards. How do you bring all that? How do you integrate into all of that?
That is where we come in picture, right? So the kind of platform that we have built, it is CRM agnostic, as I've stated earlier as well, right? So when we say CRM agnostic, every enterprise, as you rightly said, uses different tools, different CRMs, tech stack, right? Making sure that all their data stays in one ecosystem is very important today, because conversations across these platforms are different. What we are doing is we are bridging that gap, okay? And we, with Girik Connect as Girikon, we are bringing all these integrations in one place, right? So that you can easily connect with that specific CRM, making sure that all your conversations, okay, are read well, Okay, because every conversation carries a history and important details about it, and they are mapped into that specific CRM with actionable insights. And when I say actionable insights, suppose we have a call today. Okay, with this call, what are the details that we are taking out? Your takeaways, your minutes of meetings. Okay, what are the next steps that I can bring in? Okay, all this will be mapped right into your CRM. With that, your business owners have a visibility of the conversation where they are heading towards the business. So if they are working for a sales team, okay, I need to understand where my sales team is heading today, how many opportunities they have closed out of 100 calls that they have taken. I can give that insights rightly inside the CRM. Okay, making sure that out of 100 calls, 10 calls were positive. Okay, which are going to close within the next 2 weeks. That are the hot leads for me that I can clearly focus on. Same with case management, right? When it comes to contact centers, we get hundreds of cases every day, correct? But with these hundreds of cases, what are the main issues that customers are facing? That is really, really important. Instead of just keeping my customer support team occupied and responding to those emails or those conversations or those calls, right? What we do here is we bring in insights and information for you from those conversations, okay? And we find out that one point where an issue is fixed within a bug. Maybe if it's a product issue, we can just look after that product issue instead of addressing that separately for every customer. And we can just email the customer, hey, we identified your issues. Out of these 100 cases, we know that 70 of the customers that are facing a similar challenge, we will fix that in a product itself as a business owner, right?
Very cool.
So you handle that more efficiently. You handle that with actionable insights, and you can notify your customers in real time.
Very powerful. And I guess next question is, implementing new systems is difficult in an enterprise. It's like, you're changing the engine of a plane while it's in flight. How do you think about integrating? How quickly can some of these services be rolled out on your platform? Are you talking weeks, months? Could it be days to bring all the data and the channels together in a unified way?
Yeah, so what we have done as a platform is we already have built-in integration with some of the major providers already, like Salesforce, HubSpot,
Nice.
ServiceNow, and all. And those can be done in weeks. Like the integration is already available. For us, it's important to understand what the business use case our customer is trying to solve for, and then configure the system, the platform, and then the integration accordingly. And also, we have open APIs. So if there are needs where you need some custom integration to be done, we have team members who would be able to easily solve for those as well. So we and we understand, especially with AI and all. Now the expectation is we really need to move fast. We can't take days and days and months to just implement a solution. So that's how we have designed the solution. We have already built in native integrations with many of these platforms, but then also we have open APIs which can be easily called, and our customers can easily integrate with their tech stack.
Fantastic. You mentioned AI, and of course AI has turned everything upside down in our space, CX. It's reinventing the entire CX space.
Correct.
What are the biggest opportunities for leveraging LLMs and AI tools and even voice bots from your perspective? Do you have any unique use cases from your side?
Definitely, there are multiple use cases that we come across. It's more about learning new business opportunities, as I say, and that are like industry specific. You talk about healthcare today, right? Patient care is something which is a biggest challenge. You have to have people or care executives available 24/7. Look at the opportunity there, wherein the AI can come in picture, qualify intakes for you, capture patient details, address their emergency needs, and transfer those calls whenever it is needed, right? With a transfer context that we specialize in. Financial services, one of the most or the biggest industry that is there in the customer success space now, wherein your insurance agents, your policies of insurances, your status updates, application updates are being captured rightly by the AI agents, and they are providing the real-time informations as well. Lead qualification across industries, be it education, be it financial services, real estate, communicating and with the new leads that you receive in real time. Okay, because you getting a lead via Zillow or any other third-party platform, okay, reaching out to that lead in real time is something which is a task. Today, AI agents are doing that job, which is capturing hot leads for you, making sure your sales teams are working on the hot opportunities that they should be working on to, instead of just dialing randomly, making hundreds of calls a day and not getting any outputs, right? They can that job can be done by the AI agents, right? and with insightful information that is available to you in real time.
Wow, so exciting. Speaking of which, what are you most excited about over the next weeks and months? What any particular features or functionality or new versions coming up? What's on your radar as far as the platform?
Yeah, no, and I think just like picking up from your previous question, also AI is moving fast, and we have these LLMs which are coming with a lot of new models every other week, month, right? So for us as a solution provider, we are here to be able to then use that and really solve the real business use cases for our customers. So for us, it's important that we are looking at what's coming and then accordingly enhancing the platform to be able to solve those use cases. And I think that's where, while you have these LLMs providing you some of these solutions, for us it's important that how do we really make it work for our customers, right? And when you start actually solving for it, that's when you can get into the nuances. All right, let's say if you talk about voice, right? Somebody's taking call in a crowded space, or you cancel the noise that is there, right? Different accent, multilingual. So all those are different use cases which actually then test the capability of AI. And that's where we come in, to be able to really use all these developments that are happening in the LLM space to then actually solve for the customer. Because until those things are not solved, it doesn't work. Like there will be a lot of hallucinations. You will not get the right answers. You will get some different, and that's where we are here to ensure that our solution is taking those real-time use cases and then solving for our customers' need. And many of the customers that we have talked to, we see that they want to adapt AI, but those are the concerns that they have. And as we work with them, they are getting more and more comfortable, and then they are really using it now to really serve their end customers.
Well, that's a mic drop moment if I ever heard one. So
Thank you.
Congratulations. And I know you have a very deep technical bench. Well done. And here's to uplifting the CX and contact center industry.
Yes, definitely.
Thanks very much.
Yeah, it was really nice talking to you, Evan.
Likewise. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.